Hello, my name is Lilah Jones, and I lead a sales team at Google. I'm also a wife. I am the daughter of 2 elderly parents, and I'm a mom. When I think about how I've built my career, it's certainly been a balancing act. So when the team at ELVTR approached me and said, Lilah, we would love for you to teach a course focused on women in leadership, I was thrilled at the opportunity. I've created this course focused on 4 key areas. In Module 1, we'll focus on your superpower. What makes you uniquely you? What are your values? What do you stand for? In Module 2, we'll take that and we'll apply it to your workplace. How do we take that superpower and unlock amazing experiences at work? Then we'll go into Module 3, which is focused on more technical skills. Things like networking, building a strong network, things like negotiating, things like asking for a raise and creating a game plan around it. Next, we'll go on to Module 4, which is my personal favorite, which is about self-care. How do you continue to perform at a peak? We'll end with Lesson 12, where I'll teach you how to craft your own quarterly personal offsite to keep your energy tank full. We're going to be together for 6 weeks, 12 lessons, and in this journey, we will have an opportunity to share the very best of ourselves and put together a game plan to sustain that very best over time. I'm so excited to join you as a part of your journey. I can't wait to see you in class.